In travel news for August 2nd, 2022, we have an important update from France, health policy updates from MSC Cruises and Carnival Cruises, and a peek into Princess Cruises' upcoming itineraries. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. To stay updated on travel news, tips, tricks, and other insights which will help you to travel like an adept traveler, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We frequently post new content to keep you up to date on all things travel. Following a recent announcement from Royal Caribbean Group, MSC and Carnival Cruise Lines have both updated their health and safety protocols. Both MSC and Carnival are eliminating the pre-embarkation testing requirement for fully vaccinated travelers. This applies to cruises with a duration of 5 days or less. Carnival's updated policy applies to sailings on or after August 4th, while MSC's updated policy begins August 8th. Princess Cruises has recently unveiled its largest regional schedule ever for their 2023-2024 sailings. This features 214 departures across 47 different itineraries, all of which leave from a North American port. The itineraries can be as easy as a few days in the Caribbean or a more lengthy sailing to Hawaii, Fiji, or the South Pacific. The Hawaiian and South Pacific sailings range from 15 to 32 days. The Princess Cruises itineraries sail out of New York, Fort Lauderdale, Galveston, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Seattle, and Vancouver. If you'd like to know more about Princess Cruises, give us or your travel advisor a call. Good news for those planning to visit France anytime soon. Starting yesterday, August 1st, France has eliminated all of its COVID-related entry policies. So now, all travelers, regardless of where they come from, can enter without having to provide proof of vaccination, proof of recovery, or proof of a negative COVID test. This means that unvaccinated travelers will be welcome the same as fully vaccinated travelers without any additional inconveniences. Like many other European countries, France has stated that they could reintroduce restrictions if COVID were to reemerge to pose a serious health threat. Today in Travel is brought to you by The Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.